The XTOOL IP608 OBD2 Scanner is an exceptional diagnostic tool that allows you to conduct a full range of vehicle maintenance tasks at home, eliminating the need for costly repairs. With over 30 professional-grade maintenance functions built in, this scanner empowers both amateur and professional mechanics to confidently handle a wide variety of car repair tasks. The device provides comprehensive diagnostics for all vehicle systems, presenting real-time data in dynamic charts for a thorough analysis of your car's condition. Equipped with a 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor and CAN-FD protocol, the IP608 delivers remarkably fast scan speeds, making it a highly efficient tool for any garage. Its user-friendly interface, complete with a 5-inch high-definition screen, ensures that even complex data is presented clearly, enhancing the overall diagnostic experience. The scanner offers lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi, ensuring that your tool stays current with the latest automotive technologies and models without additional costs.